morning, folks. Maverick Indicators here. We are in a sweet trade right here of NQ, and let me walk you through it, why we're in this trade and how our indicators have gotten us here. All right, so first things first, the Maverick AI Pro is coloring our background. We have a red background right here. Okay, we have a red background. We have broken below the Maverick guide. When you're below the Maverick guide, this blue line right here, when you're below the Maverick guide, we go short. When you're above it, we go long. When you're below it, you go short. When you're above it, we go long. I mean, I could show you guys long, short, short, long, above it, long. And I could just show you this all day long. So no pun intended there. So what do? We have a red background. We have broken below the Maverick guide, this blue line, okay? We have pink candles. We started to get pink candles. We got a little regression back up to the Maverick guide, and then it was clear up. We're gonna push right back down. So I jumped back in. All right, our Maverick Multi-X, 5 traders, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all have a different style, all have a different preference, all have different biases, are voting across 6 time frames, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you can add a 7th here. And I just have them at short time frames. You'll see they're the 1 minute through the 3 minute. The 1 minute through the 15 minute. But normally I have them set for the 1, the 3, the 5, the 15, the 60 minute, and you can set these for whatever you want. But this is like trading with training wheels. This is like trading with 5 other traders, all with a different style. And what they're doing is they're voting bearish or bullish across 6 different time frames. So that's super powerful. Imagine trading with 5 other expert traders and you're going, hey, what do you think of the 1 minute chart? I'm bearish. Hey, what do you think about the 1 minute chart? Hey, I trade a completely different way, but I'm bearish too. Like when you start to get that stacking and look at, they're all voting bearish across 6 time frames. It's unbelievable, right? So instead of having 6 charts on your monitor, instead of having 6, displays on your desktop, I can't do all that. It's too much to read in real time and make actual profitable decisions. So I rely on my Maverick Multi-X, this guy down here, to tell me 5 traders across 6 time frames, give me your votes and let me trade with you. And that's what we're doing here. The other thing is our Maverick Trender right here is giving us a downtrend label. I don't even have to look anywhere further. The Maverick Trender is giving a downtrend label and it's peaked to the top. When your Maverick Trender is peaked to the top, this is showing strength and momentum. And the Maverick Trender right now is peaked to the top and it's giving me this downtrend label. If you would have just taken this from the open, okay, this flat top, we call these flat tops, from here, right? Nope, sorry, would have been from here down to here. Okay, that is a $91 to $63 move. 91, and that would be 791 down to 561. 791, 561. That's a 230 point move on the NQ. That would have paid $4,600. $4,600. This move to this move, this one flat top with the Maverick Trender. Now our lifetime members, they all have access to the Maverick Trender. That's the only way you can get it. We don't sell it separately. The only way you can get this is to be a lifetime member. I give it to you for free. Okay, $4,700 just taking the open and seeing that the Maverick Trender is flat and taking it straight down. Now we're kind of hitting some resistance here, so this will be interesting right here. Right here is like your resistance area. So we'll see if we can break through it. Okay. But we have a red background. We have down confidence arrow, down confidence arrow. We have pink candles. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. Okay. And we didn't really have to do much around here because it's a gray candle. Gray candle just means indecision or reversal. In this case, sure looks like it was indecision and it pushed right back down. And look how it's respecting the blue line, your Maverick guide. Remember, when you're below the Maverick guide, you go short, okay? And when you're above the Maverick guide, you go long. Below it, you go short. Above it, you go long, so on and so forth, okay? So we're having some retracement up here, okay? This is kind of a interesting area right here of support. And we're just going to keep watching this trade. As long as my 5 traders are still voting across 6 time frames, mostly bearish, as long as I still have a downtrend label on my Maverick trender and I'm pegged to the top up here, and I continue to get red and pink candles, I'm good. I'm just hanging tight, okay? We do need to break through this area though. We do need to break this. Now, if I get a close above the Maverick guide, I'm out, okay? I'm out. Because my Maverick guide is my line in the sand. Below the Maverick guide, I go short. Above the Maverick guide, I go long. Below it, I go short. Above it, I go long, so on and so forth, okay? But if you already had the Maverick AI Pro and the Maverick Trender, you already made your money here. This is a $4,600 move from here to here. It's crazy. Let's say you got half that move. You got in late, you got out early. $2,300 on one contract of NQ. That's insane. All 5 traders are all voting bearish across 6 time frames. 6 time frames. From the 1-minute chart to the 15-minute chart, all 5 traders, all with a different style, all with different preferences, are voting bearish, okay? So now we sit on our hands and we watch what's going to happen next. But if we can break past this level and keep pink candles, I think we're going to flush down pretty nicely. So we'll see. Again, I'm only in 2 contracts of NQ. So why are we in this trade again? Let me run through it because I know you guys like when I do this. Red background. Maverick AI Pro is giving me a red background. We're below the blue line. We're below the Maverick guide. We have hot pink candles. If you see, pink candles are your strongest downside candle. If you've ever looked at a candle and you say, well, what's really, see how we're stalled here? What's really going on in the background? Let the Maverick AI Pro show you or tell you. Well, it's showing you. So, you know, this is how you stay in chop because you have red or pink candles, okay? Bright green candles are your strongest to the upside. When you see bright green candles, you're going good. Would you have gotten out right here? No, you had gray candles. You knew to just sit on your hands and hang tight, and you were rewarded handsomely, okay? So there's only 5 colors on the Maverick AI Pro, all right? And right now, we just want more red and more pink, and we need to break this level right here. My Maverick guide is my line in the sand. Okay, I want to give it a little room, but my Maverick guide is my line in the sand. And again, because we go short when we're below it, we go long when we're above it. I do have a down confidence arrow here. It's not a sell signal, it's a confidence arrow. We're below the Maverick guide. We have a red background. We got pink candles. All 5 traders are all voting bearish across 6 time frames. Okay, so when you see this, I wouldn't go long. I would not go long when 5 traders are voting across 6 time frames bearish, right? Now you are having the turn of the 5-minute bar. The first minute and the last minute of the 5-minute bar, we sit on our hands. Because that's where the market makers and the institutions and everybody like to grab stop losses. So we do not do anything the first and the last minute of a 5-minute candle. We still have a downtrend label. Maverick Trender is still pegged to the top right here. Okay, so that's showing strength and momentum to the downside. So now we just wait and we let the indicators tell us where to go. Okay. So on this candle, how many traders right now, because this would have been a green candle. This would have been a green candle. How many traders got shaken out right here? How many traders have already gotten shaken out right here? But look at our P&L. We were like at like $400. Now we're double that. Okay. So this keeps me from getting shaken out. This would have been a green. This would have been a green. Nope. I still see pink. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. Okay. So I am hanging tight. My 5 traders are still voting mostly bearish across 6 time frames down here. I still have a downtrend label and my Maverick trend are still pegged to the top. There's zero reason for me to get out of this trade. Zero. All right, so what did we do? We absolutely respected the Maverick guide, okay? So remember, when you're below the Maverick guide, we go short. When you're above the Maverick guide, we go long. And you can see how just price respected it there. Price respected it here, here, and now we're flushing down, folks. 2 contracts on NQ, only 2 contracts, and we're up about 2,500 on this trade, okay? So I don't just guess. I let my indicators, the Maverick AI Pro, the Maverick Multi-X, and the Maverick Trender walk me through the trade. And look, we were down to about positive $300 at one point or something like that. And we didn't get faked out on this green candle, or at one point, this would have been a green candle. Nope, we just stayed in it. We had pink. And what did I tell you earlier? If you see pink, it will most likely sink. And we're up over $3,000 now. I'm going to bring my stop loss up to break even. And oops, what did I do there? Let's get that out of there. Actually, I don't want to mess up the recording. We're not going to hit it. So that's how we're going to rock it. I'm going to let my indicators guide me through this trade. As long as these 5 traders are continuing to vote bearish on my lower time frames, as long as my Maverick Trender continues to give me a downtrend and is pegged to the top, as long as I continue to get red and pink candles, I'm going to trail this thing as far as I can take it until I take profit, okay? So, hey, listen, if you want clear vision on your charts, if you want edge in the market, if you want indicators built by traders and refined with artificial intelligence to give you that edge, come check us out. MaverickIndicators.com. We have some crazy things going on right now. And again, if you're interested, our lifetime members, they all got the Maverick Trender for free and 2 other amazing indicators that we are exclusive to our lifetime members. Not financial advice. Do your own research. Come read what our traders are saying. Okay? So many of them are absolutely crushing it. Come check us out. Available on NinjaTrader and TradingView, and we teach you how to use these indicators, all right? Maverick Trender here, Maverick Multi-X, and the Maverick AI Pro, all walking me through. All right, so come check us out. MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com.